Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Boom! Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So this video is gonna be another hair slay video, and a lot of y'all guys been requesting it, so I'm here to bring to you the Aaliyah unit. She's my new unit added to AnnaLuxuriousWigs, girl. It's lit. Before let's do, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, girl. Like, I'm the hair plug. We do all type of lit stuff on this channel, okay? We do all type of lit stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Make sure you like this video. And yeah, for further ado, baby, let's get into this slayage. So we're gonna get straight into this. We're gonna start out by fixing this. Oh my god, I literally look like an egg. So today's wig I'm bringing to you guys from AnnaLuxuriousWigs, and this is the Aaliyah unit. She is sitting, she's looking good. She's wearing this wig glueless today. I'm not gonna glue her down whatsoever. We're gonna wear her glueless, honey, because honestly, when you got time, you know, this is an everyday easy wig. And you know, you just don't have time to be gelling down your hairline all day. So I'm just gonna be gelling down the baby hairs. And you know, once the baby hairs are gelled down, I'm just gonna be taking some lighter body mousse. This is my favorite mousse of all time, guys. I'm telling you. If you're looking for a good mousse, get the lighter body mousse. It literally will lay your hair flat as ever. Just brush everything out. And what I used to lay down my baby hairs, I use the Got To Be glue, the black bottle. I use that all the time, guys. I don't know how people use mousse to lay down baby hairs. To me personally, it's just like, girl, no. I need some gel to lay these baby hairs down, honey. How she's looking. I wish I had some hoop earrings. If I had some hoop earrings, girl. When you're wearing your wig glueless, I like to have an extra hole, you know, anything can happen. I like to take some hairspray. Spray it like right where you put the baby hairs, just so it can really stick. That way your baby hairs isn't moving throughout the day. When you're wearing the wig glueless and you do baby hairs, your baby hairs will move throughout the day. Like, it's not really laid down. Start out, she's a 4x4 closer unit. So you get this much of parting space. You'll get a lot of parting space with this unit. You get about like 5 inches of parting. Girl, it can go all the way back if you want to. But yeah, she is super cute, and she comes in 3 different lengths. So you can get her in 10 inches, 12 inches, or 14 inches. The length I have on right now is 14 inches, which is the longest length. I just like longer bobs now. I'm just going for something different. I'm working on revamping my human hair collection, just because I know you guys love the human hair blend wigs. Y'all love the synthetic wigs, and a lot of you guys been asking, okay girl, we need some more human hair wigs from you. And I'm like, yes girl, I got you. So what I want to start out with is a nice classic bob. Now this is a style that mostly everyone likes, so I was like, okay girl, we're gonna start out with this style, and you know, we're just gonna get crazy with it later on. So yeah, I'm definitely loving this unit. When I think of this, when I was naming this unit, I was thinking of Aaliyah J. I don't know, she don't really wear bobs, she like wear long hair, but when she had a bob, I was just like, oh my god, this looks so cute. Like, I definitely would try this style. If you're wondering what the hair texture is, she is virgin Brazilian straight. Yeah, so she can be colored, she can be bleached, she can be perm, she can be everything, girl. She is all yours. It lays super flat. The unit will come exactly like this, okay? She is slayed. She is slayed. Like, literally, she is slayed for the day. Now, I made this wig super affordable, so 10 inches is $95. We'll have a Valentine's Day sale, and I'm so excited for that. Super sleek. She is super sexy, and I know for all, this reminds me of a mom wig too, like a nice mom wig. Like, you know, I can see my young mothers looking all good. Just throwing this wig on the go, like, especially if you gotta go to work. You ain't got time to be gluing your closure down, gluing your frontal down. Just put this on and go. Like, literally, this is good for any occasion. Like, this is the wig to be like, give me this wig so I can take Krayshawn to school. Give me this wig so I can go on this date tonight. Like, girl, just put this wig on and go. Like, it is so easy and so easy to style. And I like to make all my wigs super easy to style. Like, I know how it is to be struggling to style this wig, do all of this. To the Chinese vendors, when they sell wigs, the wigs, you know, it come unnatural. You have to do all the customization of itself. When you paying $95 for a bob wig that's not customized whatsoever, you got to do all the customization. You want the knots bleached, you got to go buy the bleach, you got to do all of that. When you can pay $95 for this wig, she's already customized, the knots already bleached, the baby hair is already laid, and she's already good to go. So I would say with this wig, the lace color will be like a light brown. I didn't want to do transparent lace because me personally, I don't like transparent lace. I like my lace to be a nice medium brown or light brown, and I know there's a lot of girls that's lighter than me, so with light brown lace you can mimic it to make it lighter, so do not worry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, just look how natural she is. She is so good. She comes pre-plucked. The hair density on this wig is super duper full, and the cut, honey, let's just look out for the cut. The cut itself is bomb. Goes for all of my wigs. Like, all my wigs, I like the hair density to be full. Not too full where it's like, girl, this is too much hair in my head. Just full to where it looks natural and where it looks normal. Okay, we cannot come out here with a little bit of hair in our wigs. We can't do that. As you zoom in, she don't have like those little flyaways and straight ends to it. She don't have that at all. Yeah, because I hate hair, like when it comes, I hate virgin hair. The flyaways are just all over the place, and I don't like that. So none of my hair will be like that. As you can see, all the hair is nice and smooth, no flyaways, no type of no type of foolery going on here. And yeah. And also, if you're wondering like how the cap size is going to be for the wig, the cap size is custom. So when you go on my website, it'll be a section and it'll be like, before you order, know your wig cap size. So you can choose a small, medium, large, or extra large, and it will show the measures right next to it. And right after you order, you can either email me yourself with your cap size, or I email you automatically after your order asking what's your cap size, and I'll make it custom made for you. So all my wigs are not like just one size made. Like, I cater to your head size, so you will know that it fits. I know how it is ordering a wig and you like, oh my god, what if this don't fit? Like, oh my god, it's a big head friendly. Like, you don't have to worry about that with me whatsoever. Like, girl, your wig is gonna fit and it's gonna look good. It'll be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much. We're almost at 15.5K, almost at 15.5K, almost to 16K, and I want to say thank you guys so much. So yeah guys, make sure you like this video, comment down for more, and also if you have any suggestions like what other type of wigs I should put on my site, definitely comment down below. I'm open to every suggestions. And yeah guys, for further ado, you already know, slay, 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 and see yo, I just fall along.